Today, Mrs. Indra Sharda is in a business conference and she is going to give information about the government's Stand Up India scheme to all the budding businessmen.
Hello friends, a warm welcome to today's conference and many congratulations for your enterprises and best wishes for your future endeavors. The government has a lot of schemes in place to provide financial assistance to budding entrepreneurs like you all and to promote businesses in the country. One of these is the Stand Up India scheme. Today I am going to give you a detailed information about this scheme. Under this scheme, you are offered a capital ranging between 10 lakhs to 1 crore on loan. You can benefit from the scheme if you are an entrepreneur or someone belonging to the scheduled caste or scheduled tribe. You must be a minimum of 18 years of age to avail this scheme. If you are doing a business in partnership, then at least one of the partners should be a female or someone belonging to the scheduled caste or scheduled tribe, and that person should be holding 51% shares in the business. Bank decides the rate of interest. Similarly, bank also decides if some collateral is needed. The time period to repay the loan is 7 years. Your creditworthiness or credit history should be good. Your business should be a greenfield project. That is, it should be an entrepreneur's first experiment in terms of production or business. To apply for Stand Up India, please visit Stand Up Mitra website or visit your nearest bank and inquire about this scheme. While asking for a loan under Stand Up India, submit a few documents along with the application form. For example, 2 passport-size photographs, identity proof, letter of guarantee of the residence, and also documents related to income and business. Friends, if you fall into a suitable category under this scheme, then do avail this scheme.
Now let's take a small test and see how much you have understood regarding Stand Up India scheme. Question 1. Suresh has been running a successful business since last 4 years. He needs more capital to expand his business. In such a situation, can he avail the benefits of the Stand Up India scheme? Answer: no, because Stand Up India scheme is only for budding entrepreneurs. Question 2. Radhika is a 35-year-old woman. She wishes to quit her job and start a business for which she needs capital. In such a situation, can she avail the benefits of the Stand Up India scheme? Answer: yes, because Stand Up India scheme is for new entrepreneurs and gives preference to women.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the like button if you find our video helpful. Thanks for participating in the ArthShikshan initiative.